Aloha! This is Tutu Signs. Welcome to the food forest. See, these are the beginnings of the bananas. A food forest is a natural garden. They're gardens designed to work with Mother Earth. The way Mother Earth grows her forests and jungles without any help from humans. You never see anyone in a forest fertilizing or watering or even planting. The food forest is a long-lasting, abundant system. And the forests support wildlife as well, which is something that we really need to look at in our day and age, supporting all kinds of wildlife and supporting life in general. Not only great for humans, it's great for wildlife, it's great for the planet, and they live for generations. They may live for hundreds of years, and they're infinitely abundant. So it's just such a great step forward, and you're skipping all those steps of tilling up the soil, fertilizing, buying fertilizers and insecticides and soil amendments. The soil in a forest is the best kind of soil you can get. You can take this soil, put it in a bucket, add water, and you have got a beautiful compost tea just from your soil, because it's a recycling system where all the plant leaves are turning into your compost right on the soil surface. I believe that food forests are how food was grown in ancient cultures, and there's one permaculture teacher named Jeff Lawton who found a food forest that's thousands of years old on an island somewhere. He pulled up and realized, oh my gosh, this is a food forest. So maybe these were the Garden of Eden, and these were definitely the way that people would have grown food before we got into this monocropping and tilling and the modern ways we grow food. So it's really a call to be at one with nature, to co-create with nature, to learn from nature, and to receive all these surprises that nature brings. So I put together 8 main principles that I've learned from the food forest, and I elaborate on those in the book, just the 8 most important things that I learned. And I like to share those with people, and they can take the inspiration and some of the tips and tricks that made it easier for me, and grow their own food forests.